Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through a nursing cover letter template. So what is a nursing cover letter template? A nursing cover letter accompanies a nurse's resume when applying for a job. It serves as an introduction to the candidate and highlights their relevant skills, experiences, and qualifications that make them an ideal fit. The cover letter should showcase their passion for patient care, knowledge of healthcare practices, and ability to work effectively in a team. Nursing cover letters usually include several key elements, starting with contact information, a professional greeting, an introduction that states the specific position that the candidate is applying for, a body that focuses on the nurse's qualifications, emphasizing relevant experiences and skills that align with the job requirements. This is in addition to educational background, certifications, achievements, and any specialised training they've received. Remember to close by expressing gratitude for consideration. This cover letter is specific to nurses and can apply to a variety of nursing professionals and specialties. How to use a nursing cover letter template. The first step is to download and plan the content of your cover letter. The second is to fill in the blanks and cater the cover letter to your specific needs and the job requirements. Finally, proofread and edit, and if possible, share with another person to double check and look over. To view a sample template of a nursing cover letter, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download the template for free. You can also access the template through our Carepatron platform. Filter by community and by notes or templates, and type in the keywords to find the note faster if you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.